How to report cryptocurrency transactions into H&R Block Online. Hi guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I will teach you how you can import cryptocurrency transactions into H&R Block Online. So what do you do first? The first step is to create an HRR block account, alright? Once you've created it and you're on the page, that is, you've logged in into your dashboard, you'll go to a page where you would see welcome address and then you'll see the get started or your taxes, etc. Then once you can see all of this on this screen, you will see the option return. All right, now return is usually located by this side. For me, it is showing get started because I have not finished signing up my account. All right, now if I click on get started, I'll be redirected to another page where I'm to input further information about myself, and then after inputting this in, I'll be able to access my return. But for you, you must have done this already, right? For you to be able to want to import cryptocurrency. So what do? Just start your return in H&R Block Online. All right, locate where your return is located, or it's found, and then once you've located it, click on it. Once you click on it, you'll be taken to another page. On this page, ensure you choose import your crypto investments. All right, import your crypto investment, and then once you've done that, you will take it to another page. On this page, connect your coin tracker account and import your transactions. If it's a new account, you would need to create a joint tracker account first, alright? And once you've created a joint tracker account, come back to H&R Block and then connect your joint tracker account and import your transaction. Then once you're done, complete and file your return within the program. To file your return, by the right side of the screen here, you see the option file or document. So just click on it, and then once you click on it, you'll be directed to a page where you can now file your return. So it is that simple, right? This is how you can import cryptocurrency transactions into H&R Block Online. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.